Hello friends, welcome to my study channel Math e-Learning. Today we will perform an activity about multiples, and here I have taken two examples. First is write first 5 multiples of 3 and second is write first 5 multiples of 8. And here we have frame and two colored counters. Using this we will perform an activity. You can choose different things which are available at your home and bring one paper and start activity with me. So first of all we will take one frame having 3 columns because we are finding first 5 multiples of 3, and for that first I will fill this first row with these counters. Then how can we write in multiplication form? Yes, it is one row, and in this row there are 3 columns. So we will write 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. And now we fill second row also. And now here we have total filled rows are 2 and columns are 3. So we will write in multiplication form 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Then we will fill third row. And now count number of rows. Okay, there are 3 rows. And columns also 3. So we write 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. So here we have answer 9. Then you can continue if you have the available things with you. Then you can complete all these rows and you can do the multiplication of number of rows with number of columns. Now I have filled fourth row also, and now I have number of rows 4 and number of columns 3. So I will write this in multiplication form. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Now we fill fifth row using these counters. Yes, now count number of rows. Yes, there are 5 rows. And total number of columns. Yes, there are 3 columns. So 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to, yes, 15. Then we fill next line. Line means row. So here we fill it with counters. Now count how many lines are filled. Yes, 6. And how many columns are there? Yes, the vertical line is column. Yes, so we will do the multiplication. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. You can continue with your activity. You can fill the next and next rows. Now we will look at the next. Before that, I want to tell you that the multiples of 3 are, we got answers of these multiples in every multiplication. We have done 3 ones are 3, so 3 is multiple. Then we have done 3 2s are 6, so 6 is also multiple. Then 3 3s are 9, 9, then 12, then 15, and so on. These all are multiples of 3. But our question is write first 5 multiples. So first 5 multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Now we solve second example. So here I have taken this frame having 8 columns because we are finding multiples of 8. So first I fill this column. First I filled first row, and we know that we have to do multiplication. 1 8s are 8, so 8 is multiple of 8. Then second row is filled and 8 2s are 16. Then third row is filled now, and now you can count the counters also. If you will count, then you will get the answer 24, right? Or you can do the multiplication, whatever you like. So there are 3 rows and 8 columns. So we do the multiplication of rows and columns. 3 multiplied by 8 and 3 8s are 24. Now we fill fourth also. And now we have number of rows 4 and number of columns 8. And we do the multiplication of 4 and 8. And we have 8 4s are 32. Okay, so likewise you can complete all this. And after filling fourth 32, and then after we fill fifth row because I want to find 5 multiples, first 5 multiples of 8. So I will fill fifth row also. So here total number of rows are 5 and total number of columns are 8. So 5 8s are 40. So fifth multiple is 40, right? So there are first 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. You can choose different things. If you have buttons, then you can use it. If you want to prepare counters from paper, then you can do it, right? And you can draw this frame and you can do the activity at your home also, right? I hope you like this activity. Bye bye friends.